So what's up, guys? Just doing some relay wiring for the fuel pump. It actually wasn't that bad. Got a 30 amp relay and pretty easy. Still don't like wiring stuff, but this was pretty easy. The 87, which is there, 87, that goes to your red fuel pump wire. And you don't want to use the middle spade. You don't need that. So your 85 is going to go to a ground, and your 30 goes to the battery with an inline fuse. I used a 15 fuse for the fuel pump. That's what it says to do on the instructions for the Holley blue. And then your 86, that's gonna go to your switch inside the car. So that was pretty much it, basically. Now I just gotta clean up all the wires, and here's the fuse. I use 10 gauge wire for the ground. You want to use at least 10 gauge or 12 gauge, I think, for the fuel pump. And I'll get a connector for this part here, but this goes straight to the battery with a fuse, inline fuse. And then you ground your fuel pump, and that's it. Pretty easy. So once that's all hooked up, I'll make sure it works, and that's it. Later.